आज एक हिस्टॉरिक मुवमेंट जो आज तयार जाला गोंयांत ओपिनियन पोलाच्या दिसाक एक सेकंड ओपिनियन पोल करपाक जाय म्हणून आमचे जायते NGO एक्टिविस्ट बाब केरकर बाब उलयलो. आज जो लोकांचो पल्स जो दिसती पडटा, लोकांचो पल्स अशें आहा की पॉलिटिशियनाचेर लोकांक विश्वास ना. तर आमी हिंगा जे जमिल्ले आहाय आमदार, पयलेच पावटी आमदार जाले, न्यू आहाय, पयलें जे कितें जालां आनी पयलेंचे परतून काडपाक आमी तुमच्या मुखार येवंक ना. नॉर वी आर कम हियर टू टेक एनी पॉलिटिकल मायलेज. वी केम हियर एज गोंयकार to protect our mother. This is not a fight of ego between any political parties. Please try and understand that with this ego clash will take us nowhere. We have to all unite. I once again appeal, जे बाब केरकर बाबान सांगला, आमदार म्हणून आमकां एक दीस फावो जाला. ते विधानसभेंत 19 आमी सगळ्यांनी एक बरी स्टडी करपाक जाय आनी हे प्रश्न मांडपाक जाय. कित्याक हो प्रश्नाक म्हाका दिसता आतां जवळ जवळ 30 वर्सां जालीं. Government, all previous MLAs have been sleeping. Some say that they are hand in gloves. Some say no, we were not there. So this type of attitude should not work. Let us not divide the people. We have to be united, because I said at the start that I myself am ready to resign. Let the Chief Minister put his resignation with his cabinet and the government. I had made this statement at the start. We are all together with one appeal, with one voice. Let us not make this an issue of ego. We are here come together because we are Goenkars first. Whatever needs to be done, because this is no doubt done by the central government. It is clear. Government is a continuous process. Who was ruling between 12 to 17? Who was ruling in between? Who will rule tomorrow? It is all about our future generations. I request all our MLAs, I will request the ruling MLAs as well through your medium. You all have not been here today, but we have to get together. कित्याक ये political party मागीर हे शाणपण सांगपाक हांवें एश केलें तुवें तेश केलें हें सगळें मागीर. We unitedly decided that we will not go on the platform. We will be with the people. And I appeal to all the Goans that let us all work together as one Goenkar. The political answer is in the Legislative Assembly. We are elected members here. Most of the NGOs are casting their aspirations that the politicians were sleeping. What were these politicians doing when they were elected in the past? It is a continuous process. What did you do in the past? It is not about scoring a political brownie over your opponent. Let us forget this. Let us all work together as not what the Congress did. Who were the agents of the Congress in the past? Who are we going to be in the future? We are all governed by one Goa. Let us go with this message, what Mr. Bab Kirkar has said. Let us all respect the sentiments of Goa and Goans. And I'm sure that all our MLAs that were present here, we will go together and forcefully speak for Mhadai in the coming assembly session. The question is very simple. You require to create a constitutional crisis. What is the constitutional crisis? We give up we put in our resignation. Let the Chief Minister put in his resignation. Last time we had given him 7 days. Now we are saying we are going to give him 15 days. Tomorrow we are going to say we are going to give him 1 month. Let us stick to one agenda. Let us stick to what agenda we have spoken. And let us, if we have the political will, I'm glad that others have also spoken that they are prepared to resign. I will definitely take this very aggressively. I'm sure that all the political parties, because It is not about the Congress or the AAP or any other political party. It is about Goenka. It is about our future generation. It is about our tomorrow. So we are confident and we appeal to the Chief Minister. Let this not be a battle of ego at the cost of Goans losing our Mhadai lifeline. See, this is not, I said, all the opposition comes together, doesn't come together. What are they doing? Are they sleeping? What are they doing? It is not that this is not the fight between opposition and ruling. But yes, people are politicizing it. That is what I am against. It is not about a particular politician's view. It is about Goenka's view. We have to make sure that whatever message has been conveyed to us, whatever legally is our stand, what had to be done in the past, what can be done in the future, let us talk on that. Not about just scoring a brownie over one saying one thing, another trying to giving another tweet. So see, we decided first. The BJP said that all the opposition MLAs are politicizing it. Today we decided to sit in the audience. Then their spokesperson Siddharth tweets that we are scared. What is all this? This is just a mockery. So I feel let us all be together on this issue. It is because look at the people or the MLAs of Karnataka across political lines, they are together. So let us all be together.